Now let's talk about what is Balance Scorecard. It is a strategic management tool developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton in the early 1990s. It provides a framework for organization to translate their vision and strategy into a set of performance measures across four perspectives. That includes financial perspective, customer perspective, internal business processes, and learning and growth. For example, Starbucks' vision is to establish Starbucks as the premier purveyor of the finest coffee in the world while maintaining our uncompromising principles while we grow. That's why their balanced scorecard are as follows. In terms of financial perspective, they monitor their revenue growth and profitability through net profit margin and return on assets. In terms of customer perspective, they measure customer satisfaction through Net Promoter Score and also monitor their market share in different key regions. In terms of internal business processes, they monitor their operational efficiency through track order fulfillment times, supply chain efficiency, and store layout optimization. Moreover, they also ensure their product quality. In terms of learning and growth, they implement and monitor employee training through completion rates and innovation through number of product launches. Thank you and happy learning.